Hi boys and girls, good morning. Okay, today we are going to go through the answers, okay, for your chapter 9, numbers to 100. Okay, so take out your primary 1 mathematics term 2 booklet. Okay, all right, let's do the chapter 9. Okay, right, so I want you to look at your answers, then you can check your answers with mine. Okay, if your answer is correct, you can just put a little tick by the side. Okay, if it's wrong, then you can do your corrections. Okay, all right, let us start. Count and write the numbers in the boxes. Okay, so here, count and write the numbers. Now, so when you count, I want you to count in tens. So here you circle in tens. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. So that's 65 answer. Okay. Right. Next, question 2. Same thing. All right. Count in tens. So here will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So that's 46. Okay. All right, let's move on to question 3. All right, question 3 wants you to write the numbers down. So that's 57. So 57. 84, 84. Okay, write in words for question 5. So it's 42. So 4F 4T hyphen and 2. Now be very careful with the spelling for 40. All right, there is no U for 40. Okay, 39, 30 hyphen 9, and 100. 100. Okay, all right, let's move on to question 8. Okay, circle the numbers that are greater than 43 but smaller than 49. Circle the number that is greater than 43 but smaller than 49. So in this case, what I want you to do is to write down the numbers starting from 43 all the way, okay, to 49, because they want numbers greater, that's bigger. Greater means bigger. All right, then 43, and that's 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, but smaller than 49, so you cannot go more than 49. Okay, so the numbers are here. Okay, greater than 43 but smaller than 49. So these are the numbers. Okay, so you check through the numbers. Now, can you circle 49? No, you can't, because they want bigger than 43 but smaller than 49, not 49. Okay, next, okay, there's no 44 but there's 45, so circle 45. There's no 42 because 42 is smaller than 43, and there's 47. So this is your answer for question 8. Okay, all right, fill in the boxes for question 9 and 10. It's tens and ones. So what I want you to do is to put them in their places. Okay, so this is in the tens place, the 5 is in the tens place, and the 3 is in the ones place. So there is 53 is actually 5 tens and 3 ones. So here will be 5 tens and 3 ones. Okay, do the same for 29. Put them in their places. So here will be tens and ones. So 29 is 2 tens and 9 ones. Okay, that's your answer. Right, next, complete the number patterns. Alright, for number patterns, you've got to be very careful and check whether the numbers are in increasing order. That means the number are getting bigger, or is it in decreasing order, whether the number is getting smaller. Okay, so in this case, for question 11, 37, 39. So that, 37, 38. So which means that this number is getting bigger. So 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Okay. Question 12. Okay, look at the number. It's 74, 73, which means it is less by 1. Alright. That means the number is getting smaller. So here will be 72, 71, 70. What is 1 less than 70? Or the number before 70 is 69. Okay? And the number before 69 is 68. Is everybody okay? Alright, let's move on to question 13. Question 13, you look at the numbers. It's a number pattern. So here is 6. It's just 6. Okay? Blank. Then here you have a 26, 36, 46. Alright. Can you identify which number is changing? Yes, it's actually the number in the tens place is changing. But the number in the ones place remains the same. Is 6. It doesn't change. But the number in the tens place changes. So it's here is 2, 26, 36, 46. That means this particular number pattern, it's okay, you're supposed to count in tens. So the missing number here will be, so what is before 2? So it's definitely 16. So 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, and 66. Then you have your 76. Okay? Is everybody okay? Alright, let's move on to question 14. You have 82, 84, 86, 88. Okay, the numbers in the tens place remains the same. No change. Alright, the number in the ones place, you are counting in 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, so that means you're counting in twos. So it's a plus 2. 82, 83, 84. So here again in twos, plus 2. 84, 85, 86. Here will be again another plus 2. 86, 87, 88. So here will be another plus 2. 88. Here will be 89, 90. Right? So another plus 2. 90, 91, 92. Right? That's your answer. Is everybody okay? Right, good. Let's move on to question 15. Arrange the numbers. Okay, you're supposed to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, so let us compare all the numbers and see which number is the smallest. Now, when you are doing comparison of numbers, you must always check the tens place, the numbers in the tens place. So in this case, this is a 3, 6, 2, 9, and 1. So 3, 6, 2, 9, and 1. So which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. Alright, so this will be your smallest number because there's no other smaller number. There's no single digit also. Alright, so this number 17 will be your smallest number. Okay, followed by, so you have here a 3, 6, 2, and 9. So you take your 29 as the next number. 32, 65, and lastly, that's the greatest number, 90. Greatest means biggest number. Is everybody okay so far? Right, excellent. Let's move on to the next page. All right. Question 16, you have arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Now you're supposed to arrange the number from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, again, you're supposed to look at the numbers in the tens place. So you have a 4 here, 6, 1, 8, and 2. I want the greatest number, so you have to pick the greatest number in the tens place, and my answer will definitely be 80 will be my first number because that's the greatest, followed by 62. All right, the next bigger number is 62, followed by 49, 11, 21, followed by 49, my next number, followed by 21, and 11 is my smallest number. Okay, all right, let's move on to question 17. Fill in the missing numbers. All right, what is 1 less than 60? 1 less than 60. So you have 60 less than 60, 1 less, so minus 1. So before 60 is 59. So your answer is 59. Okay. Question 18. What is 2 more than 55? 2 more than 55 is, so you have a 55. 2 more than 55, so here will be plus 2 more. So here will be 55, 56, 57. So your answer is 57 is 2 more than 55. Is everybody okay? Right. Question 19. Color the smallest number. Color is the instruction, and they want you to color the smallest number. Let's take a look at all the numbers. Now remember, when you are doing comparing number, all right, you must always look at the tens place when you compare. So if there's 2 digit, definitely you look at the tens place. Okay, so it's a 6, 7, 9, and 8. So you have 6, 7, 9, and 8. Which is the smallest number? 69. So you shade in. You can use your highlighter, it's fine. So you shade in the smallest number. Okay, and that's 69. Is everybody okay? All right, let's move on to our very last question. Question 20. Color the greatest number. Greatest means biggest number. Again, you are comparing the numbers. So it's 2 digit number. So you must always look at the tens place. 8, 86 with the 8. 88 is also with the 8. 66 is a 6. 68 is a 6. Now they want the greatest number. So I cannot be looking at 66 and 68 because they are small. I am looking at 86 and 88. Between 86 and 88, so if the tens place is the same, now you look at the ones place. In this case, the ones place is a 6. This ones place is an 8. So if I want to see which is the bigger number, 8 is bigger than 6. So my answer will be 88. Okay, so color my greatest number. So 88 is my greatest number. Shade in, you can use your color pencil, you can use your highlighter. All right, it's fine with me. All right, yes, so we are done. Okay, so I hope you have managed to follow through the workings as well as the explanation. All right, so do bring back this booklet to school once you go back to school the following week. Okay, all right, see you, goodbye.